Hello guys, my name is Aftab and welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Beginner, and in this video we are going to install Elasticsearch on your Ubuntu machine 18.04, and we will secure Elasticsearch with using Nginx auth configuration. So what is Elasticsearch? Elasticsearch is a free open source engine which is used to find out large data. So let's about these steps. So in our first step, we need to update the repository. So just I need to copy this command sudo apt-get update, and I have already make connection with my server for this demonstration. So I just execute this command. This command will update the Ubuntu current repository, and after that again we need to go our article, and then we need to install these dependencies. So dependencies, we need to install Java, JDK, and transport HTTPS package. So just copy and paste here, and this will take few minutes to install in your Ubuntu machine. We need to wait until then. So it's about to complete. Okay, so it's installed successfully, and after that we need to add Elasticsearch repository and key. So this is a command for this. Just copy and paste in your terminal. This will add the key which is successful, and after that we need to execute the repository. So just double click and copy and paste here, and after that we need to update the Ubuntu current repository to update and sense the new added Elasticsearch repository in your system. That's completed. Now we are ready to install Elasticsearch package. Just copy and paste here. So Elasticsearch package is installed. Let's start the Elasticsearch service. So we need to use sudo systemctl start elasticsearch dot service, and after that we need to enable Elasticsearch service on boot. So whenever your system going down and you are going to again start your server, so you will get your Elasticsearch service in running state. And make sure your system must have 4 GB memory with 2-core processor to operate the Elasticsearch service. And after that we need to see Elasticsearch service status by using systemctl command. So we can see that service is running and it is enabled on the boot. Press Q button to exit this output and go to the next step. Right now we need to test Elasticsearch is working or not properly. So we need to make curl command, which is hit localhost and port number 9200. You should get output like this. So just copy and paste here. So we are getting our Elasticsearch details. So here we can see the more information about this name, cluster UUID, and lot of things. And after that move ahead another configuration, which so we are going to use Nginx as a reverse proxy to make secure Elasticsearch. So we need to install these two packages, Nginx and Apache 2 utils, to make auth configuration on Elasticsearch. And after that you need to create a virtual host elasticsearch.conf to make access from the network with authentication. So here I have already syntax for the same. You need to just copy and paste here. Press Ctrl X, Y, enter. And after that you need to set username. So this is a username and password prompt will ask. So if you want to change usernames, you can change here. Otherwise you can execute same command. Just copy and paste here. For this demo I'm going to use simple password. You can set your own, and after that let's enable the created virtual host in Nginx to use. After that we need to check the syntax configuration by using sudo nginx-t. So that's give us configuration test which is successful. And after that, to get changes we need to reload the nginx service by using this command. Okay, let's restart it. So we need to use here restart and see the status. It is running fine. And after that we need to see our port which is working or not with the nginx. So we need to use netstats command. Sorry, full command is not copied. Netstat -plntu grep 9201, so which is working fine. Okay, and after that again we need to hit the curl command on the nginx reverse proxy to get the result. So this is a command, curl command, and this is a username, and here I need to put the password. And here you need to update your IP address of your machine. So it's a local host I'm going to use. So we are getting result from the Elasticsearch using reverse proxy. And so this is our configuration is successful. If you are going to use any another username and password, like I'm going to change my password which is wrong credential, so you did not get the authorized to access your Elasticsearch. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. And also I will give you article URL in the description, so you can use same way to install Elasticsearch.